Hi, friends. Have you ever wondered what's really going on beneath the surface of your garden? Today, I'm unlocking the mysteries of soil. First up, let's talk sandy soil. Sandy soil is gritty and drains quickly, which means it doesn't hold nutrients well. It's perfect for plants that love dry conditions, like cacti and succulents. Next, we have loamy soil. Loamy soil has a balanced mix of sand, silt, and clay, which makes it great for water retention and aeration. Most plants thrive in loamy soil, making it a gardener's best friend. Now, let's get to the heavy stuff. Clay soil. Clay soil is dense and packed with minerals. While it holds onto water well, it can struggle with drainage. That's why it's best for moisture-loving plants like willows and irises. But wait, soil isn't just about particles. Microorganisms like bacteria and fungi play a crucial role too. They help decompose organic matter, making nutrients more available for your plants. Now, let's get our hands dirty with a little experiment. Grab a digital microscope, glass slide, small spoon, and small bags of different soil samples. You're going to take a closer look at soil from potted plants, flower beds, and lawns. First, observe the potted plant soil. It's loose with a mix of soil and humus, full of root hairs and insect eggs, a sign of active ecological activity. Next, check out the lawn soil. It's more compact, with clumped particles and sprouting grass seeds. This soil shows signs of decomposition and nutrient recycling. Finally, examine the flower bed soil. It's small and loose, rich with decaying plant debris and humus, providing a nutrient-rich environment. After learning about these soil types, start to explore the potted plants, flower beds, and the soil in the lawn.